All right, what's up, everybody? We have a new. I don't even know what I'm saying. I have like a cold or something. I don't know what's going on. My nose keeps running and I'm tired. So let's just get on with the deals. But if you do get some value from it, hey, leave me a like, subscribe, share. You know the drill. All right, so over at Home Depot, I told you guys we were going to continue the deals from yesterday, which is crazy because that was it. It really, over the next 5 pages was not much at all. But I was able to pull up two for you, and then we have three poo poo deals I want you to be aware of so you don't make the mistake. First up, we have this bad boy right here. I don't know if I went over it yesterday. It might have been the last deal, but the M12 impact driver, and this is a hammer drill. Yeah, hammer drill with a 4.0 battery. Yeah, you're getting a 2 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery with this kit plus this speed ratchet. Now, this still does only 35 foot pounds of torque, but it just moves really, really fast. So this is normally like 169 itself, and we know this kit right here is normally on sale for 179 at Home Depot right now. It's usually 199. So for an extra $80, you get this thing. So you get this for $80, and that's a good deal. Now, if we move on, we have some similar deals, right? This is 239, 259, $20 difference. This is $20 less. You're getting the same impact driver, no hammer drill whatsoever, and you're getting the base model right angle ratchet and only two 2 amp hour batteries. But you get a hard case. So that makes up for it, right? No, this is crazy. Don't do this. Don't do this. This is a better deal. Everything over here is better except for the case. But sometimes one might argue that these cases are all right. Just when you store them, they're kind of all over the place. I like storing hard cases better. But anyway, moving on. So it's another similar deal here for 229. Now, what they're giving you here is a 6 amp hour battery. I mean, for these tools, the 6 amp hour battery isn't necessary. If the only thing that the 6 amp hour battery, because I have two of them, I use it for my light, my rocket light, and yeah, it's that rocket light runs a decent amount of time off this battery. But man, you're not gonna need no 6 amp hour battery for these tools, man. The 4 amp hour will be fine, perfect. So don't get this either. Get that out of there. And the last doo doo deal, Milwaukee doo doo deal of the day, is this very similar deal again with the hammer drill, but you get a 4 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, or maybe that's a 1 amp hour battery, 1.5, and a 6 amp hour battery. Again, this is overkill unless you have like a rocket light or something super powerful that drains batteries in the M12 lineup. Just get this first original deal for $259 with your three fantastic tools, and there you go. So we're gonna get those out of there. Moving on. Okay, so I kind of mentioned a deal like this yesterday, and I stumbled across this one today, and only to realize that you can, it's a whole bunch of them. It's a whole bunch of these deals. So in this one in particular, you have this impact wrench that you guys love. I don't like it personally, but to each his own. But this impact wrench does, I think, 250 foot pounds of torque. To me, for an 18-volt tool, that's weak as I don't know what, and that size range. So you can get a Makita if you're the Makita line. I think Metabo, HPT, Metabo, all the Metabos, they have better tools than this in that same size. But if you are in the Milwaukee line, this makes sense. So moving on, you can get the angle grinder. Is that a fuel? And it's a fuel too, y'all. It's a fuel for 469 though. That's kind of reckless. But again, you come over here, you add this battery, it'll bring that down quite a bit. And this tool alone is normally 229, so or $200 depending on what day it is. $200 at least. We know this is normally 350 now, and I think we saw it yesterday for $300. $300. Still with this, that's $500, 469. But then you add this. Let's see what it comes out to be. 350, right? Excellent deal, right there. And you can just go down the list and just keep playing with this circular saw. I'm assuming all this stuff. Yeah, man, that's the rear handle circular saw right there. Look, I never even seen this combination. It's probably $500. $479. Then let's look for another one. You have a framing nailer. I mean, you can get all types of stuff right now. $529. This framing nailer normally like $350, isn't it? It's crazy. 300. The jigsaw. Oh my goodness, look, jigsaw plus a finish nailer. You getting all types of stuff. Oh, there's no free tool with that one though. So you got to just go through them and play around with them. And this deal has sold out for $299. Yeah. So just go ahead and play with this. I'll leave this link up, and you guys can just go through it. My wife keep yelling at my daughter, and it's very distracting. You probably heard her 4 times. Anyway, moving on over to Max. I was about to say Max Deals, but Max Tools. Again, I'm tired. I'm not really feeling that well. I'm not feeling 100% today, so I probably missed something. So I'm going to just leave this up for you guys to go through because my vision is a little blurry. But let's move on to the ones I did find. This is a good deal, obviously. 2 batteries. These are 1.5 amp hour batteries, impact driver, and a drill. And it's just a drill driver. It's not a hammer drill. And a bag and a charger for $99. This is going to be good for any home DIY. This will last you a long time. Very long time. Moving on, we had the same deal. Now, as you might notice, this is at Lowe's. But as you know, sometimes Lowe's blows. And some of those times are right now, okay? They not a really good place for me right now. But I'm happy to see that Max Tool has the same deal going, which makes me wonder if any other company has it, like Tool Barn, because you get the tool bucks, and they're pretty generous with those. They're pretty generous with those tool bucks too. So anyway, we talk about that in another video. But they have the same deal going on here. You add the cart, you get to choose from the same tools. Yeah, so $199. There you go. Free shipping on orders over $199. All right, so moving on. Got 2 more deals for you. Well, I have this up. This same deal is going on at Home Depot, but I think this comes with way more options. So this has way more options for tools than Home Depot. So I wanted to make you awares of this Makita. Look, a lot of stuff. Home Depot, I think, have like 5 tools. They have, I'm trying to figure out what's the difference between these. Angle grinders. Oh, one is a switch and one is a paddle switch. And then, well, okay, it's 3 different ones. Oh, this one's a 5-inch, 4.5 and 5-inch, 4.5, 5-inch. All right. So you could choose between any of this stuff, and then here's another one. All right, planers, shop vacs, impact wrenches, rotary hammer drills, you name it. Here's 2 impact wrenches. This must be a 1/4 inch. Okay, so you have the anvil and the detent. There you go. All right, so you got it covering everything over here with Max Tool. So there you go with the Makita. Only thing is you can't hack that deal because it's Max Tool. So the free tool is the free tool. If you want to get some type of a discount, you're going to have to sell that other tool off, which you could probably do for more money, honestly. I don't know. I mean, the hacking at Home Depot is easier, and you don't have to deal with the hassle. But honestly, if you were to just sell the tools, you'd probably make more money than what you return the other one for. So there's that too. Now, for the last deal, we have this Milwaukee deal, which is usually at Home Depot. And I forgot to check because, again, I'm feeling a little weird. Oh, my goodness. Look at this, y'all. Oh, my God. All right, so they no longer have this deal anymore where you get the 2-pack and then get a tool for free. I'm wearing down, y'all. I need to go. But I found more stuff. Look at this, y'all. This is crazy. For $579, you're getting the same kit, which is normally $349. You're getting the 2 batteries, which is normally $250. So that is what? That's $600 right there. And then you get a grease gun, but you could probably, they don't have a drop down. And then you add this, and what does it become? $454. Man, that's cheap. Okay, so this is how I find some of the deals. Honestly, this used to be accident. Like how you just saw me find this one. And then I found this one. with this hacksaw. Look, this is $549. Add this and add the cart. What does it become? Still $549 because I gotta add, take away some stuff. But we know that's gonna be cheap. You can do it yourself. I'm gonna leave this up. So anyway, going back to Max Tool, Home Depot no longer has this. Add the cart. I'm gonna tell you, it's better over here at Max Tool anyway because you get better tools. You have to choose between the impact wrench, the fuel angle grinder, which this is like I said, 200, 229. This is 220 itself. These, I think the router is like $200 too. But anyway, point is you're getting lots of bang for your buck, $249, and you get a free tool that's like $200 something dollars. So there you go. Links in the description. Hopefully this video was helpful, and I'm going to take a nap.